guys, I'm here to do a little shopping haul for you guys for my son Leo. So this is what I got today. Let me just they're really a good tasty treat for your kids in case you're looking for something yummy. They're called giant mealworms. So this brand is from PetSmart. And so yeah. Hey guys. Welcome back to the vlog.
Squad.
Hi. Right now we're out having a tour of the farm. By farm, I mean where I live, with the ponies and the horses. And so we're just doing a little exploring the snow. Believe it or not, we're actually currently snowed in. So this sounds like a choice, but we actually can't leave. So we've just to make the best of that situation. Rose, any words?
If anyone can come get me out of here.
She's fine, trust me. she's had enough.
She's had a long day. Don't believe anything she says.
She's a little crazy.
No, honestly, I love horses, so this is heaven.
This is Prince. I got our favorite. Hey, Magna.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
Anyway, we'll let you guys know how the day goes.
Strong boy.
Today we're reenacting the final scene of Squid Games.
You're over there.
So which guy am I? The one that... Okay. Oh,
you gotta.
Okay.
Ooh.
So what you guys don't know, only the camera knows, but this guy doesn't know. I'm picking up some dirt.
What was I doing while you were doing that?
You're talking smack and grabbing your mic. And then the observers go. Wait, why is he hopping on one foot?
Wait, we don't know.
The attacker is handicapped. Oh! Wait, hold on, I gotta get closer to the camera so the camera can see it. Okay, I'll lay down. So we fight for a while. and then the scene
Knife in my.
What happens after that? And then
Oh! You dropped the knife.
and then some stuff and
Okay.
then and then I walk out and I go, hey yo man, I wanna quit this game. And then I win. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.
Thanks for tuning into our vlog
For our audition for the next Squid Game season 2.
2.
Bye! Guys, just out here on the farm. We're walking across a pond. We don't necessarily know how frozen it is, but so far, so good. We'll let you know if we fall in.